Hey, it's Tom here. I'm going to show you a bunch of the new features that we've put out recently. The main one is a new workflow that we've set up. When you first open up a drawing, you're going to see this menu down here, next elevation. What it's going to do is it's going to immediately pop you to the next drawing that's got elevations. Show you the overall page. You can see all the elevations. Then one at a time, the program's going to walk you through each elevation so that you can review it, check it out, make any adjustments. So just for example, take this elevation here. Say we're not happy with the alignment here. Okay, we can just pop in, drag that up, give this little correction that it's missing a filler. So we can hit new product. Pop in our filler. We call a base filler a 1311. There we go, 1311. And it's in. And then onto the next elevation. When it's gone through all the elevations on a page, it takes you to the next page. And let's say you can still skip down a little ways in the drawing if we want. And again, it'll review for you one elevation at a time, working the way that an estimator normally would, walking through the elevation. The other cool thing in pricing, you'll notice when you pop on any product, when you click on any product, in the product properties box, there's a finish group now, and you can select finishes per product, or you can also group select and apply finish to a whole bunch of products at the same time. And if you just hop into custom pricing here, you can see here, for example, for our 100 open cabinet, there's a PL1 price, a PL2 price, and a birch price. We could make those whatever we want. And we can rename what those groups are called. You can rename the groups per category of product. Hey, the other cool thing is the way that we deal with custom products. So let's just say I found a good elevation here. This is just how easy it is to price a product. Say this bench isn't in our library and we want to include it. We can just put a box around it. Let's just call it bench 1. And then here's some more of it over here. So let's grab some more of this. Oh, go a little bit bigger. I'll just stretch that off. Okay. And we're going to call this also bench 1. Well, right away, when we go into our pricing, into our custom pricing, that bench 1 is just going to appear. Oh, custom product, and it has no pricing. And let's just say it's $1,200 a lineal meter. And in the maple, it's going to be $1,400 a lineal meter. Or $14,000, whatever. Close. Right away, when we click on that product, you're going to see that product show up in your summary, and it gives it a price based on how many lineal meters of that product you got. So quick, so easy. Any product you've got. If I want to take this 102 and I want to make it special, I want to call it a 102 AA. Bingo. Right away into my custom products, it's going to show up here as 102 AA. Here it is, custom product. Give it whatever price we want, and it's going to keep track of it. It'll be in the product summary. It'll be in the export in the CSV. Anyway, the new features, there's so many new features, it's hard for me to get it in, but check it out.